Hi everybody, this is Linda and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a fast cake. You got company on the way, or your kids are dropping by, your adult children. You weren't expecting them, you got to have something fast. This is a box cake right here. I used yellow, butter recipe yellow. That's all that's in here. Now, I'm not sure this is the right size can, but we're going to have to use it because that's all I have. This doesn't look like the right size. This is a 21 ounce. I think. Let me look and see. Yeah, 21 ounces. And this is blueberry. Now, I chose blueberry. I really wanted blackberry, but they didn't have any. Or peach would have been good. Anyway, I'm going to put this whole can of blueberry pie filling. Although this can says, what does it say on it? Pie filling or topping. The whole can in here. I'm also going to add, this is 3 tablespoons of melted butter. 3 tablespoons. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get this mixed up in here. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Get it mixed so that it's all wet. You don't see any dry cake mix in here. Then I have a 9-inch square pan that I sprayed. Now there's nothing else going in it. This is it. Just these 3 ingredients. The cake mix, the pie filling, and the 3 tablespoons, and I actually measured those, 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. Alright, I'm going to put this in my pan that I've sprayed. I think I told y'all I sprayed it. And I'm going to put it in the oven, 350, for 25 to 35 minutes. You'll have to keep an eye on it because it's going to depend on your oven. And then we'll be back. Hi guys. The cake is done. It took mine exactly 30 minutes to bake. I let it cool, but what would be good on this if I was had done so, but I didn't, is a nice lemon glaze over the top, because blueberries and lemon, ooh, they're so good together. It's just lemon juice, put some zest in there, and some confectionery sugar. Mix it up and pour it over the top. Oh my goodness, been so good. This is my 30-minute cake for Sammy. I'll give him you want a fork or a spoon?
Fork. A little Cool Whip on it.
Yes, sir. Got a little Cool Whip over here. We're just going to put a little dollop.
A
A
dollop.
dollop is like a little over a tablespoon. So I put 2 dollops on here.
Good.
How about that? So I'm going to give him his cake, and he's going to wait till I get around there.
What? This is just blueberry cake, is what you call it?
It's an easy blueberry cake. The only thing that went in it was blueberries and cake mix. I put a little bit of butter in it. Let's see.
Well, it looks and smells good. I'm sure.
Where are you, Sammy? There you are.
Know. I'm invisible.
You are a lot of times when I need you.
Yeah.
Well, let me get over there.
After you
Ooh.
get... My aunt used to tell me after you turn 60, you're invisible.
All right, Sammy, give us the truth here.
Oh, nothing but the truth. Mm. You know, one thing I've noticed is some things you do, you know, quick and easy are better than things that take a long time to do. This is delicious. Of course, I love blueberries. Of course, I love all kind of berries. But, yeah, it's great. So moist and plenty of blueberries in it. Strong blueberry taste. Yeah, I don't believe you could have done any better if you'd taken all day cooking one.
You can see where you could make muffins out of this, too.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's similar to one big blueberry muffin. Yeah, I love it personally. But, you know, like you said, you can use any kind of berries. You know, strawberries.
Yeah, cherries.
Mm-hmm.
Peaches. Wouldn't this be good as a peach cake? Raspberries.
Pretty darn good as a blueberry.
Ooh. Yeah, blackberries. Any kind of pie filling.
Well, you know, you told me to get blackberry, but they didn't have any, so.
So you like blueberries, and that's what you got.
Mm-hmm. Delicious.
Well, all right, guys. You heard it from the master taster.
Yeah, master eater.
So, next time you're in a hurry, you know you got company coming and no time, this is a great fill-in. But it's even good if you're not in a hurry, if you're not expecting company.
It'd be good with ice cream on it, too.
Yeah, we don't have any.
Well, they may have some.
Yeah, but that's why you got Cool Whip.
Mm-hmm. Well, I mean, it's good with Cool Whip.
I'm going to get a little piece out of here and turn it sideways for you. Ooh, it's so moist, y'all.
Yeah.
All right, I'm turning back around. He's about to finish that up. There has got to be an easier way. There's got to be. Anyway, here's our cake. Delicious. It's blue with a whole lot of blueberries.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I don't have another plate. Let me use your plate, Sam. Put my cake on there. And my dollop of Cool Whip. And there you are, a delicious, delicious cake. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And just hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I load a new video. It'll come right to your mailbox, email box. So until next time, all of you take care. And God bless every one of you.
Very good.